I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, and this is a look at how to use the Comfee tea kettle. So I love this electric kettle. It makes it super easy to brew tea. And so what we're going to do is just lift up the metal piece off of here. And you can see we've got the base for the kettle. That's going to stay. And then we'll take this over to the sink, and we're just going to fill this up with water. So let me go ahead and start up our water here. To open it, you can see there's a little kind of opener here. Press that. It's going to pop the top of the kettle open. Fill it up however much we want to with water. And then we're just going to go ahead and close that top again. Switch that water off. Now we're going to bring it over and just situate it right on top of that base. That's all we got to do. We've got to make sure the base is plugged into the wall. You can see our water level on here. And then we're just simply going to press this little tab, and when we do that, you can see that the light is going to come on, indicating that it's heating up. Now I find it takes about 2 or 3 minutes. You'll start to hear it make some sound, so we know that it is indeed heating right now. And once that process is done, then we'll have boiling water ready to go. And all we have to do to actually use it is just basically repeat that same process, except now we've got our little pouring spout on the end here, so we can get our cup if we're brewing tea, put our tea bag in, or loose leaf tea, whatever you're making, and when it's done, this piece is just going to pop right back up. The light will go off, and that's going to indicate to us that we are ready, and then we'll just lift this off and we can pour right into our teacup using the spout on here. So let's pretend that it's done. I'm going to go ahead and take this off, and then again we'll just pour as if we had a teacup there. We can just pour straight in. So very, very simple to use with this. Again, just wait until it actually clicks back up, and that indicates you're ready to pour your boiling water.